Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. I have a huge Christmas Destash for you today. Um, I don't know, I've never really done this on YouTube, but I have a lot of Christmas stuff. I have worked for a lot of companies, and a lot of companies then, you collaborate and this and that, and I have stuff that I don't even remember having. So that's fun. It's like a surprise every day. um, First, I want to start with this Bo Bunny collection. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Sorry again for my shadow, but it's getting darker earlier, you know. Bo Bunny Noteworthy from this collection, which is Merry and Bright. And I got one of these from Tuesday Morning because I had the paper last year. So this year I go through my stuff. I've been cleaning out my stuff. I did it for Halloween and I find a whole other set and I'm like, you're an idiot. So my foolishness is your gain. So it comes with this full noteworthy set. I don't know how many pieces. It says it's 51 pieces. Never been opened. And the matching Bo Bunny chipboard. It's put that in, double-sided, super cute, and all of these papers you get. Um, the red and white check with some little snow and snowflakes. This pretty red deer. This is like a beige and gray snowflake. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying with that shadow. Let's see, I'm going to zoom back out. So, Lisa, like that. And then this is so cute with all of these little squares. Put them on tags or whatever. Super cute. This paper is very Nordic, yet folk-like. Stars and stripes and green plaid. And gray and beige deer pattern. Oh, and the other side are cut aparts. Trying to be quick, and this is me not being very quick. We got little birds, and then over here, this is so super pretty. And then here is this, and green like snowflake, and then red snowflake. It's hard to see the snowflake, I almost couldn't see it. And then here are the birds again. That's why I said it reminds me of like folk country, like, and gray and tan again, and this is a really pretty stripe, and a few polka dots, and more cut aparts. This Santa is so fun, isn't he? And this beautiful wood pattern. I feel like it's two pieces of paper. It is. Wood and all the days in case you're making an advent calendar or something. And different color snowflakes and the diagonals. So I've got that. And next, this is big. Next I have Yuletide. There's no price tags to say where it was from or anything. Pink paisley, Yuletide. And these are the papers. These were cut aparts, and those stripes, they're little cut aparts, but here, in here, they're baker's chocolate. Like there's words in there. If I zoom in any closer, and you won't be able to see it. Snowflakes and diagonals, and I think it's and holly with berries and brown and Merry Christmas, diagonal, snowflakes, diagonal, bells and dots and all 25 days and tan and a holiday rush. It's gift list and card list. This is so cute. Cut aparts. And I think this is where we started, isn't it? Brown. And these little bells at the top. Maybe not. Has to be more than one. Yeah, I remember these cut aparts. Anyway, none of this has ever been used. Got Yuletide, 48 single-sided sheets, and I have the Yuletide ephemera, right? And it says there's 61 pieces. It was sealed, but I opened it, and I don't think there are 61 pieces in here, but whatever is in here, it's yours. But I'm not done. I know, I feel like a game show host. Okay, so now I have Wish Season from Fancy Pants. Wish Season. And this one is really cool because it comes with all of these die cuts. Like these just pop out. Snowflakes, holiday wishes, all of those. And it's in this pink, blue, black, like what's really cool and going on right now. So oddly, it matches. And you get all of these alphas. These all punch out. And then these are the papers, and I think they're double-sided. I should have put a light on. Blue. And this is red and white with the bird at the bottom. And this is a blue, aqua kind of blue on blue, diagonal, and wooden snowflakes. And this is like a tan with deer and like aqua green and pink. And this is obviously red. Let me try to put this light on over here. I don't know if it'll help, but I know it can't hurt, right? Let me put this guy on because it just keeps getting darker and darker and darker because that's what time does, especially this time of year. And when you have 46 things going on, that's when you decide it's a great idea to make a video. Now, that is either going to be amazing or the worst thing ever. I don't know, but let's hope it's better. And this guy is a stripe, and then this is nothing. He's causing a shadow. Okay, so okay, no. And then this is, as you can see, like snowflakes, and this says Wish Season, which, like I said, is the name of the paper. This is red with white stars. And this one is blue and red and black, I guess. Flowers. And this is pink. And then this is pink. Looks like a sweater print. This is a green and like pink stripe. And this is green triangles. These are trees. And that is that one. Just the paper. Because wait, there's all of this that goes with it. This is all sealed. Wish Season button mix. All the buttons. Wish Season flare. Again, none of this has ever been opened until I just opened it. Wish Season chipboard pack. Looks like there's 2 sheets, but there's no picture. And then this, I'm not sure if these are stickers or punch outs. I think they're stickers. They're all in all the colors, and they say things. The moment, so happy, wishes, dreams, Christmas, happy holidays, stuff like that. And then this little book, and it's just like a list paper. So I guess it's for you to keep or your Christmas notes in. So that's really fun, right? And then this, again, where I get this, I do not know. This is Oh Dear from Fancy Pants. This is the stickers. The small sticker set. Cute. And then this little reindeer though, right? And snowflakes in red. And then you get, I don't know why, but you do. You get all these alphas and stuff. And I don't think they go with this, but it was in the pack. So look how fun these little reindeer are. They are so super cute. Like a green squiggle. Oh dear. And trees. I need green and this pattern and like a peach and red, white, and burgundy kind of stripe and green and the green ivy kind of. There's a lot of paper with a dark red, and then there's reindeer and brown, and then there's this with a bright red, and then there's stripes and polka dots and a bunch of little bubbly dots and blue in the stripe, and then all of the colors in a stripe. Oh, this is going to turn into another pack. That must be where those stickers go. Okay, this is a double whammy for you. Good for you. Whoever gets this. This is still Oh Dear. Oh Dear. And now we start with a different line, which the stickers must go with, called True Friend. That, I'm trying to see. I could be here for the next year and a half looking, so let's just, okay. True Friend. Yep, these stickers match this. And a lot of fun patterns. I just thought the Christmas paper was 2 of each. That's kind of cool. Surprises are fun, aren't they? Like a peach, and it's like an orangey peachy dot, and that's like a creamy gray black with gray tan hearts. And oh look, little foxes and a little bug. That's really cute. And some fish scales, brown, and flowers, and green dots. A little geometric action here, and a mustard color, and zigzag, and this with that, and then there's this with that. And I have this. I have not opened it. Oh Dear Ticket Roll, it's called. It says naughty, here we go, let's look there. Naughty or nice, free cheer. So, oh here, they're all on the back. Believe, good for December 25th, naughty, nice. So here is what the tape stickers look like. And then I have this Jack Frost paper from American Crafts. I have 2 of them. This one, oh, this one was the one that was unopened, I thought. Maybe I opened them both. I don't know. I got this last year, I thought, from AC Moore. But it's really cute paper. But you know how it is. You don't need 2. I was trying to get back. I thought I saw, yeah, snow, winter, snowball fight, stuff like that. So, got that. I got, this is from Little Yellow Bicycle. I don't even remember when they were in business, but These are clear-cut shapes. They're like acetate, and they're really pretty shapes. And I checked, it was never open, but I double-checked anyway, and all of those shapes are in there, so that's super fun. I found this Just Plain Christmas Greetings from Unity, I think. Is that who this is from? I hope so. I can't. So, and it's never been used. Gift Unity Stamp Company. I don't even know if they're in business. So that, and last, I have this huge pad from Michaels, 8.5 by 11, and it's paper, and it's got like glitter and treatments on it too. It's thick for sure. And some of it has those treatments, if you know what I mean. Like it might have that like where it's shiny, or it could be glitter. So yeah, so all of this and all of this. But wait, there'll also be all of this. Okay, all of this can be yours for $85 shipped. And the way this is going to go is that I will leave my email address in the description box. The rules are you have to be in the US only, you have to be over 18, you have to have PayPal, and I want the payment sent friends and family. How you do it is whoever emails me, not comments, emails me first will get to purchase this, and once you email me, I'll email you back, and you have an hour to pay me through PayPal, friends and family, and then I will get this into my priority mailbox that I already, the box, you know, to mail it, and I will mail it out to you. So congratulations if you want it. Good luck to everybody who wants it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.